Singabakho Nxumalo, your National Commissioner is here. Who summoned him and why?
I can confirm that Mr. Arthur Fraser, who is the National Commissioner for Correctional Services, Mr. Kenneth Mtombeni, who is the Acting Regional Commissioner for KwaZulu-Natal, and Ms. Hateb, who is the head of Escort Correctional Facility, have been subpoenaed to be present in court today. And that subpoena comes from the NPA.
You know nothing about that subpoena moments ago.
I can confirm that that subpoena is available. Hence, we are here in court today. Otherwise, we wouldn't have to come to Pietermaritzburg.
What are they going to do? Why are they subpoenaed? Which evidence are they going to do?
There is more written there, but what I can state is that it relates to access to particular information that talks to the medical records for the former president, Mr. Jacob Zuma.
The former president is still under your care. Has he been discharged from hospital? Do you know?
Mr. Jacob Zuma was granted medical parole, so he's out on medical parole. Yet he remains in hospital because he requires in-hospitalization care. But in our system, he is now in what we call community corrections, meaning therefore we no longer regard him as someone sentenced needing to be inside a correctional facility, but he's out in the community, but technically he remains in hospital due to the care that he requires.
The particulars that the NPA wants now, will you be able to share with us more information? What are those particulars? But also number two, do you know if your National Commissioner will be taking the stand? Will he be giving evidence?
I'm not sure whether any of our officials, I'm referring to the National Commissioner, the Regional Commissioner, or the head of center will take to the stand. But you will understand that medical information is private, confidential, and I think that's the substance of the issue. So I think the court will have to deal with that particular matter.
Thank you very much for time. Let us release you. That is Singabakho Nxumalo. He is the spokesperson responsible for the Department of Correctional Services. They're basically confirming to us that Arthur Fraser and some senior officials in the department have been subpoenaed to come to the Pietermaritzburg High Court. Arthur Fraser is the one who granted the former.
All right, Sipa, the audio on your side is not great. So I'm just going to recap for you that Sipa Mandagoga, they're interviewing the Correctional Services spokesperson, who said that Arthur Fraser was in fact subpoenaed by the NPA to appear in court this morning. He's in judges' chambers, and we'll have to see what happens there. I suppose the good news is that the case will in fact go ahead, and there won't be another postponement, which is something we haven't seen in a long time.